teaching Thunderbird how to trust the Medicare Australia certificates. If you haven't already downloaded those, you need to watch the other video first. Tools, options. Okay, we need the advanced cogwheel, not the general options, and then the certificates tab within there. Let's view what certificates we have. None as yet. Nobody we know how to talk to. No servers. A lot of authorities. Unfortunately, Medicare Australia is not on that list. So we will import the Medicare Australia root certificate. Because we're in Thunderbird, we're allowing it to identify email users. This certificate is issued by this certificate and thus cannot be verified. We have to manually choose to trust it, which is exactly what we have just done. With that certificate already trusted, when we import the main person signing certificate, we should find it has already been verified. Why? Because the organisation certificate is issued by the root certificate. We now trust Medicare Australia and therefore all the certificates they will issue. Now, I mentioned something about the certificate revocation lists earlier. Basically, we don't wish to trust certificates that have been cancelled. Easiest way to do this is to grab any Medicare issued certificate, except unfortunately for the actual Medicare certificates, the two that we just loaded as authorities. And we have a look at that certificate. Again, it's been verified. Why? Because it was issued by the organisation certificate, which we already trusted. Buried deep in the details, way down here, is the certificate revocation list distribution point. Highlight that, choose to copy it, and in a minute we'll paste it. Or you could just jot it down and put it back in. Ugh. No thanks. So, import. Where? From there. Yep, that's the correct address. Now, it takes a little moment, but it does eventually come up. Would you like to use automatic update for this CRL? Yes, we would. We need to tick to enable the automatic update, and then OK. Although this appears to have not worked, it's just a Thunderbird bug. When we've reopened that list, we'll find it succeeded. We did get the CRL loaded. So now we trust the Medicare Australia root certificates, and we no longer trust the revoked or cancelled certificates.